welcome back to my channel. Today, as you see in the caption, I'm going to be doing a mini fall try on haul. I'm actually going to be doing something different this time because I don't know, like how I be trying to angle stuff, it just don't be working out right, and your girl be getting a little peed off. So first, I'm going to show you guys my outfit, well, not the outfits, but you know, my clothes that I actually got. And then I'm gonna actually show you the shoes at another angle. But if you're new here, go ahead, pause this, make sure you subscribe, make sure that you like it, because every time that I drop some hot shit, you guys will get notified, honey. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the two places that I actually went to and got all these goods was Burlington and Dillard's. As you guys know, Dillard's is like I would call it like a outlet store that sells a lot of name brands, a lot of luxury things for a low price. So I actually go there for shoes. Honestly, I never really went in there and actually saw like clothes that I actually wanted to get, because like in there it looks not the downgrade how it looked, but it looks like a fancy thrift store. If you guys know how a thrift store look, they got all clothes everywhere. You got to really search through clothes. Like, you gonna have to, if you trying to find an outfit, boo, then you need to clear your schedule, because you got a lot of digging to do. But as you see, yes, I am wearing my waist trainer from Keisha Kiora. Like I said, I always wear that. So anyway, the first piece that I'm actually gonna put on is, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so all of my, this one that I actually picked out, I thought it was cute because it has Queen on it, and it was actually it was, the original price was $24.99, but I got it for $14.99. And I actually forgot to mention that the store is actually closing down, so it's an extra 30% off. Yeah, I thought it got stuck on my braids. Okay. Ooh, this is how it looks. I love that snake skin, baby. Like, snake skin has been a trend this year alone, snake skin. So I had to get this. I had to jump on the ride, you know what I'm saying? So I had to get this. It's very comfortable, stretching it. It's the type of material that you really have to be that size to fit this type of shit, because it's supposed to fit crop or whatever, but whatever. So with this, I'm gonna pair this with these leggings that I'm gonna pair these with these leggings that I got from there too. These was regular $11, but I got them for $6. Y'all, it's this type of, y'all know girls, period. When it comes to leggings, it doesn't matter how many pairs of leggings we got, because either way, we gonna wear them and they gonna get wore out because we wear them so much. Pair of leggings with anything and still look good. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Like, so when I saw these, I was like, oh yes. And I actually got two pair of these. I wore the first pair, but this other pair I still have. And then it's high waist. It's gonna look weird because I got on this waist trainer, but when I have it on, my booty be popping, honey. And I'm actually gonna wear these this weekend. Actually, I'm going to my first HBCU homecoming game, so that should be fun. So these are the leggings. They feel so good. It's the type of material. Ooh, y'all know how seat covers feel? That's how these leggings feel. So I got these biker shorts. Y'all know I love me a nice biker short, honey. Biker shorts and tube tops, that's my shit. Like, I wear biker shorts and tube tops all the time. Like, I don't care. I wear it every day. Because it's comfortable and they're cute. And then they come in all, like, colors. So, I had to get this leopard one, honey. Because when I seen this, I was like, yes. I already got a black pair. I just got a lime green pair, which would be cute to pair with that pullover. Yes. Okay, so these, the tag actually came off of these. So I'll say just to put around, just to get an estimate of how much these shorts was. They probably was like $4.99, like $5 or something. Probably like $6.99, like $7. But these are how they look. The material feels so good. Like, yes. So they're twerkable. Yeah. And then last but not least, I'm gonna just pair this with this because it low key go together. So I saw this jacket, you guys, and I just fell in love because I'm always making half jackets myself because I never could find like half jackets in the store. So what I be doing, I am creating my own half jackets. Like, I got a white one and then I made my blue jean one. So I finally found one that was already made and it was so cute. You got the little snap, so you can pull it back, put it in a cuff if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Or you can leave it down. I like it. So this jacket was originally $25 and I got it for $17. Turn up. So I actually don't know how this looks, but it kind of look cute. Like if I had like some cute shoes to go, I feel like this would be cute with an outfit. Like this whole entire fit. So, alright, I'm done with the clothes. So, I'm actually about to switch my camera around so you guys can actually see all these shoes that I actually got, y'all. Like, I got more shoes than clothes. So, let me get this. Alright, you guys. So, there's no need to look at this beautiful face of mine. And there's no need to look at these toes because they're not done, honey. Okay? Pay attention to the shoes. Alright, so these pair of shoes, they actually came from Burlington. So these are actually the only pair that came from Burlington, but the rest of them that I'm going to show you guys actually came from Dillard's. So these are some, I don't know what to call these, high top shoes. Yeah, they like platform shoes, but they was originally $90, but I got them for $30. Don't y'all see that? Yes, ma'am. And they're Guess. These are actually name brand shoes, and they're so cute. I'm not gonna tie them up, but that's how they look, y'all. Like, they so cute. And it got Guess on the back of them. I'm gonna show you guys. They got Guess on the back of them. I actually have a purse that I actually had got too. I just started wearing it because, baby, I needed a black purse. Everyone needs a black purse. I got these Well, goddamn. Okay, I'm tripping. So these are actually, so I actually got 2 pair of shoes that's from Burlington, y'all. Okay, just 2 pair of shoes. That's it. That's it. Okay. So these are some Adidas. As you know, I love me some shoes. These were originally $50. Then they was $40, and then they took another $10 off, and so I got them for $30. So I got these for $30, you guys, at Burlington. Got memory foam in them. Y'all know I live for a memory foam, honey. Bitch can walk to Africa with these shoes. Bay and I, we actually had got the same pair because she had actually picked these out. She saw them first. She saw her pair, and then she had went and found me a pair so we could have a light. Y'all know I love tying my shoes like this. I don't know why. That's just me. I love tying my shoes like this. But anyway, y'all, so yes, these are from Burlington. These are the last. These are the 2 that came from Burlington. So these are how they look. They so cute, y'all. Got the little stripes on the side. On both of the sides, honey. Ooh, they so comfortable. Y'all finna be shook when I show y'all these other shoes. Y'all finna be like, okay. Yes. Them Adidas shoes was cute and them Guess shoes was alright. But girl. Boom. Okay. So now I'm on the Dillards, honey. I know you guys see. Yes, these are Uggs. So I was walking in there, and I spotted these bad boys out, and I was like, oh my god, I got to get them. I've always wanted some Uggs. They always be extremely high, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what, I found these, I gotta get these. These were originally $130. I got these for $65. That's freaking huge. I don't care what nobody say. Bump y'all. That's a deal for some Uggs. Ooh, they so comfortable and they cute. Ooh, oh my god. And then it's like, I like Dillards because their shoes are new. Like, these are not used shoes. All of their shoes are brand spanking new, honey. I never heard this name brand before, but everyone knows that sliding heels are the thing, like, this past year. Like, sliding shoes was life. So when I found these cuties, I was like, I got to get them. These are all black. I can't wait to bring these out. I can't wait to wear these. These are AD and Daughters. So whatever name brand that is, I know it's exclusive because these were originally $180. I got these for $63. Come on now, baby, you can't tell me nothing. Why y'all up there trying to spend y'all rent money, trying to keep up with the Kardashians, honey? For real. I'm sitting up here like Cardi B. Fuck you mean? Then, boom. Ooh, I'm lit. I'm lit. Okay, so these are from, these are made by Gianni Benny. I don't know. These folks right here. So these was originally $90. I got these for $31.49. Come on now. Y'all need to be praise dancing right now because these shoes are hot, honey. Last but not freaking least, y'all. These are the first pair that actually I spotted out before I even start racking up on these other shoes. Real talk. When I saw these shoes, y'all, I lost my mind. I've always wanted a sock. I call these sock shoes. I don't know why. They look like socks. So, baby, everyone know that my favorite color is what? Glitter. Okay. So when I found these, because you know, of course, my glitter, but these glitter and with my pink too. I love pink, I love black, and I love glitter. Those are my favorite colors. Black, pink, and glitter. Get that stained in your man brain. Y'all. So these are actually from the same company as these. Janani, I don't know. These people right here. These the same people that made these shoes. They made these shoes. Y'all, when I found this, see, the story behind these was I found a pair. And the pair was too small. Y'all, I was trying so hard trying to get my foot in this shoe. I was determined that I was finna get this shoe. Babe was like, baby, you know that's too small. I said, oh my God, babe, but I want it so bad. So she was like, she went on the other side and started looking. She said, babe, I think I found one. I said, no, you did. She said, yes, I did. I said, oh my God. Put them in the goddamn basket. So, y'all. Baby. Y'all ain't got shit on these, honey. Ooh. Baby. Yes, I'm so ashy for these shoes. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I know this is probably like real close, but I'm burning up right now. And I just want to say thank you guys for actually dropping by to see. Whew, Lord, I'm out of breath. I don't know why. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye, Rosebuds.